I-trade daw.
What about Josh?
Anong status ni Joshua Monzon? Ma-trade na daw sabi ng sources ko.
Well, if you're gonna ask me, I'm gonna look at it in a way na every player is dispensable. Except for Calvin Abueva.
Ooh.
Now let me ask this. If I were a team, a suitor of Joshua Monzon, let's just say I'm TNT. Gusto ko na, I think I can use Monzon in my lineup. What would it require for Titan Ultra to get
Let's
rid
put
of?
it this way. Kasi baka
what are you looking for?
misconstrue ako Baka ma-misconstrue ako sa
Yes.
It's not like we're shopping around Josh. Hindi ganon It's more of, hindi kami yung tatawag sa every team na, gusto niyo ba si Monzon? Gusto niyo ba si